Alright, let's go. What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to be talking about 5 easy steps to create your perfect cup of matcha tea. I've always loved matcha flavored anything, so it was only natural that I would love matcha green tea. From our travels in Japan, from Tokyo to Kyoto, we've learned to create the perfect cup of matcha tea. Alright, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A sifter, a small bowl, a bamboo whisk, a teaspoon, some matcha powder, some hot water, a small cup, and a small towel just in case you make a mess or spill everywhere. Let me give you a rundown of the matcha teas that we have here. This first one is from Sprouts called Matcha Love. This is like your basic matcha tea that you can find in any grocery store. The next one we have is from Matcha Bar. It's actually a matcha cafe in New York City that you can go to, but they usually have pretty good matcha tea. And the next one Kim and I found in Japan, and it's like probably your highest grade matcha tea that you can find, and it's really good stuff. While our water comes to a boil, let's get started sifting some matcha. Our first one is gonna be Matcha Love. Just take your teaspoon, get it set with your sifter, and then start sifting away. Sifting is important so your matcha is not clumpy or has chunks while you're sipping your matcha tea. I also like to use my teaspoon to push through any extra matcha tea that's left over in the sifter. Kind of scrape around the edge and get it all out. And that's it. Now that our water's come to a boil, let me grab that. And we'll take it over here. I'll grab my jigger of 1 ounce and I'll add it to our small bowl. It's very hot, so be careful out there. After you've added hot water to your small bowl, let's take this kettle away. Still very hot, so we don't want to get burned. We'll grab the bamboo whisk and start mixing the matcha so it's very smooth and has less bumps in it. I'm gonna start moving some of these items out of the way so you can see I always start mixing the matcha tea. So when I generally start mixing, I mix in like a W pattern, and this is so that you'll have a smoother texture when you're drinking your matcha tea. You can also do like a zigzag pattern, and that also helps reduce clumps and bumps within your matcha tea. After mixing for at least 1 to 2 minutes, you want to try to get like really small bubbles at the top of the matcha and make sure it looks really smooth. Kind of check around in your tea and make sure there's no extra clumps or lumps like left inside there. After you've done this, you can grab your small cup and pour it in there. Oh yeah. That is a really smooth tea. And then I'll go ahead and grab the extra hot water that we have left over and just fill up your small cup of tea. After you've poured the extra hot water into your small cup, just give it a few more seconds or an extra minute or two to let your tea cool down. But I'm going to just take a little bit of this matcha tea. It's piping hot, but it's delicious. If you're feeling creative, you can start whipping up matcha lattes by adding almond milk instead of using water. I hope you guys enjoy your first cup of matcha tea, and thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.